Let's look at some of the unique design features of the Poly Studio P5 webcam. One of the most important features in a webcam is an integrated privacy shutter, so you can be confident you're in control when you're sending video. With Studio P5, just a quick turn of the lens turns off your video instantly for added security and privacy. The mounting clip makes it easy to place onto your laptop or external monitor, and adjust it for just the right angle. But sometimes you might want a close-up on a document or something else on your desk. So we've made it easy to temporarily pop off the camera head. The autofocus makes sure the camera stays sharp, even when showing something close up. When you're done, just place it back on the mounting clip. It attaches with a magnet, so no worries about it coming loose when you don't expect it. Another unique feature of the Studio P5 webcam is a USB port right in the back. The main purpose of this is to connect the Bluetooth adapter for your Poly headset. This makes it easier to set up your webcam and headset together for a complete remote working experience. Plus, it frees up a USB port on your laptop, and it makes it easier to take your Poly headset and webcam with you when you're going back and forth between the home and the office. To learn more about the Poly Studio P5 webcam, visit us at poly.com.